Hello guys. So this is my last day for this traveling, and we are in Agadir, and we are particularly in a very popular market. It's called Souk El Had. So this is in Agadir for locals and for tourists as well. And I'll show you around. We got everything in here, very popular. For everything what you can imagine. Dresses, bags, leather bags, also spices, which means we're gonna get some nice spices, traditional dresses. So let's have a look, yeah? Uno. I wonder how much costs uno in here. Because in the UK it's very expensive. Cheaper. So this is mosque.
Finish praying.
Yeah, so it's the end of the prayer for this afternoon. As you can see, it's busy. But people go there all day long. Quite convenient, because when you need to pray, you don't need to go far away. You just close your shop, and you just go pray and you come back. Resting area looks like.
We're gonna go to the spices first, yeah?
Let's do spices first, yeah? All right. Better to buy spices in a market than in a shop, for 1,000,000%. There's no doubt about that. Oh, look at these guys. This is traditional when you go for celebration, or if you remember, we went to. See? Look at that. Very traditional. It's for celebration when you go for wedding, or not as a bride, as a guest. So it's very traditional. Very, very. It's like when you wear dress, you know you're going somewhere now. You're going for some celebration.
Something like that. As an vintage.
Okay. The dresses are always expensive. Actually, this is really nice. These, oh, they're lush. Look at these. They're beautiful, no? Celebration. So, okay. Also, you can buy here as well a fake brand, like you can see. Saint Laurent, Michael Kors, Hermes, Chloe. So this is traditional.
This is the green one?
Yeah, it's very nice. It's with the zip.
There's a black one as well.
No.
زند السلسلة اللي نخدم.
Oh, I love this for me. I want this for myself.
لا.
كلشي
اوه.
ورث السلسله درت قنسويك تذكر النونية الناس يزنفت عليه.
What is it?
Medium, there is a large one if you want.
تذكر النونية الناس.
I'll try them on.
What color you want?
I don't know. No, this one. No. It's too dark for me now.
صافي غير الالوان.
الأول كلشي اللي
صافي ازكزاو لي هو ديكا il faut qu'il voit. This one is okay, no?
وا
For you? No, I don't like this one. It's alright. For you?
اهو
صافي بلاش ادنر الحاج.
الواها
large this one, no?
Not sure about the color.
كيلو انا مادام غير
Try at least the size. This is huge. This is quite nice, no? He's got no.
Yeah, much better. Let's come back.
Yeah?
عندنا اللي ذاك الحاج.
ماشي مشكل
صراحة.
شكرا. Yeah. The large was huge and medium was small. Yeah. Which is yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get some argan oil as well, but later, no? We're gonna do
Later,
spices first. Oh, look, it's all argan oil here.
Spice.
Look,
Take
look.
this one.
Look at that. Just for people, not for me. It's all good. It's all good. This is, you know, look at that. One, two, three, four, five. Who knows how much it will cost?
You want to try maybe?
Oh, look, shukran. I know amlo. I don't like amlo. Oh, no, no, no amlo. Oh.
Saffron? Check. Check. Harvard check. دير صورة صور.
Oh my god. This is scary. Okay, this is even bio. Bio. Think it's bio? Just look, just look. More, look. You like one of them, no? Mali? This is different.
What about this one?
The colorful one?
Oh.
I don't know. The thing is, you need to try.
Yep.
Yeah?
This one.
Ouais, bonjour.
You don't want to try?
زرقي ليموني اخضري كحلي القرينه البيج شكل القرينه
إذا كنا مقول.
مقول تقريبا
لارج.
شكون بيري حتى شكون اوفر سايز اوفر سايز ها هي
The,
ولي سكي فرانس
yeah.
لاقيس القري
You need to try on.
زريت القرين
New style.
زعما اللون تريد ساعد القياسنا
What color do you like?
For you.
مش كتسكن.
That's the question.
زادر طريقه زيدو 380 غنولق
سكان كم ود الدنور ان شاء الله. يلا نكشف السوق. يعني
المهم كي الا قلنا كي خصك كامل بابي
وكم باك وكم باك.
How much?
320 dirhams. That man is
Doesn't
70.
Oh my god. Oh. See that old man, it's decent, see?
Fair gold.
This young boys, cheeky. Oh, sorry. I will see you.
Just like
No, thank you. No, I'll go. No perfumes anymore, please. Jewelry, jewelry, jewelry. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Silver one. Actually, they have really nice jewelry. You can negotiate the jewelry with people. Yeah. And yeah. What is that?
Bright baby.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, so. Yeah, absolutely stunning, these birds. In general, no? The colors. I should buy this, no? Morocco! This is for tourists, obviously. Yeah. I'm fine, thank you. It's gonna smell like film, and they need to buy something.
Okay, what did you got for us today? Espresso.
Lots of spices. Cinnamon. Be good, some for beef, some for this is coriander. This is for beef, and this is larsahal, which is chef of the head of the chef, head of the I never know head of the shop. Oh, he's gonna put the stickers, so we're gonna voila. Yeah.
His name Brian.
And this is called.
Meat spices.
It's still hot. Wow, because it was in a machine. Yeah, very nice.
Anything else, Kat, you want to get here?
This. I don't know. Oh, he's got more. He's got. Coriander. Cinnamon. Cinnamini. Cinnamini. Wow.
كان الناس لعبوا بالله إلا كان لعبوا they got the weight one.
Okay, I want to see the weight one. Aha, can I smell? Should I take a few?
How many grams?
Just, I don't know.
100 gram. 100 gram, 100 grams.
Yeah. They smell different than the one we bought in Chinese.